Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 4230 Carrollton, Apartment B. Say this thing keeps backing up, and they keep cabling it out, and then it keeps backing up. Whenever it rains, it backs up, so they got me out here. We're going to inspect the line from the stack here in the basement. Go ahead and throw it in here and show you what it looks like. Alright, so I got my camera out here. We're at about 69 feet, 68 feet. I tried cabling this tape from the basement here. You're only able to run a small cutter, and we're out in a 6-inch clay pipe now outside the building. There's a bunch of heavy roots in there, and I'm stopping here, and it's underwater. I can't get past it. I'm going to recommend a clean out installed out there. Like I said, cable it, but you can only get a small cutter through there. It keeps backing up on itself. Heavy roots. It's underwater right now. See some roots there up ahead. There's a ball of roots there. We're in a 6-inch clay pipe here. Heavy buildup there. More heavy roots growing in at the top there. It's easy to see right here. Big ball of roots, some more roots growing in. And another ball of roots. A bunch of roots here. So this is the transition. This is where it comes to 4-inch cast with a 6-inch clay pipe. So this is the transition here. As you see, there's a bunch of roots growing in there. So I'm going to recommend a clean out installed out here, and then a big cutter ran through there and have all these roots removed. So I'm going to go ahead and locate where this is at. I located that spot out there in the yard out there. It's about 6 feet deep. It's next to a sidewalk there for the other buildings. I'm going to go ahead and locate where this is at. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and located this transition. It's on the side of the building out there. And it is 7 feet deep there because it's on a little hill. And the line goes downhill. But by the sidewalk there, it's 6 feet deep. So I'm going to recommend a spot to be repaired and a clean out installed, and then big cutter ran through here to remove all these roots. As you see, there's a whole lot of them. And every other section, you got a big ball of roots. As you see, we're only able to cut a small hole through these, since you're only able to run 2.5-inch cutter through this cast iron. And then here we go as we get underwater. Definitely recommend that install. So a big cable, big cutter can be ran, and possibly hydro flush. Like I said, put that clean out in the remainder of the line inspected to make sure everything else is good, and that doesn't need to be cable going out towards the main also. I'm sure there's going to be something out there. This cast iron looks to be in decent shape. Here we are at the bottom of the stack. All the cast iron looks to be in good shape. Like I said, just recommend that installed out there and the remainder of the line inspected and augured and cleaned up real good. And, after that, you should be good. Alrighty, thank you.